Hello, everyone. The world around us is truly full of wonders, sometimes wild and stormy, other times calm and peaceful, like a green carpet. Every moment in nature carries its own beauty. Let's watch and experience these incredible scenes together. In North Carolina, a violent storm brought pounding winds and hail, forcing garage doors to buckle under the pressure. Strong winds from Leslie battered Newfoundland, ripping tents apart with ease. Have you ever faced a storm this strong? Share your story in the comments. In Houma, Louisiana, Hurricane Ida's terrifying power tore a garage apart in seconds.
When it finally does rain, it really rains.
It's over! Oh my god!
Oh gosh.
Someone gets hurt.
Oh, Jesus!
Oh no! My husband got hurt.
Oh my god!
I think so. Wow.
A massive dust storm rolled over Phoenix, bringing howling winds and choking sand. Always make sure your home is secure before a storm like this. At a South Carolina airport, a tornado tore across the runway, slamming directly into an airplane and creating pure chaos. Oh my gosh. In Amsterdam, a rare funnel cloud spun across the skies, an incredible sight above the city. Oh no. In California, powerful storm surge collapsed a riverbank, pulling an RV into the rushing water before anyone could react. Don't run when the winds roar, stay calm, stay steady, and find safe shelter before moving. A drone captured dolphins working together to hunt off Narragansett, Rhode Island, a spectacular underwater performance. And this is just the beginning hit. Like and subscribe so you don't miss more amazing moments. Amid the waves of Monterey, California, killer whales emerged like true giants of the ocean. A heating pipeline explosion sent shockwaves through city streets, shattering windows, damaging roads, but thankfully sparing lives. At a charging station, a battery pack exploded into flames. 2 people narrowly escaped. Always use caution when charging to avoid accidents. Right after a fierce storm in Pittsburgh, a live power line caught fire, creating a dangerous scene for nearby residents. Oh my gosh. And in Hong Kong, part of a building crumbled after Typhoon Mangkhut ripped through, a chilling reminder of nature's sheer power. Oh gosh. A giant wave crashed over a natural pool, surprising swimmers. Thankfully, no one was hurt. In Madison County, North Carolina, Hurricane Helene's floods swept a house away, a chilling reminder to always heed storm warnings. Scenes like this remind us railroads must always be treated with caution and respect. On the road, a car lost control, slammed into a parked vehicle, and flipped over. Two women walking nearby narrowly escaped unharmed. A truck plowed into the gates of an office building, startling everyone, but thankfully no one was injured. On a beach in Namibia, a young Benguela dolphin was found stranded. Thanks to quick thinking and kindness, it was returned safely to the sea. A girl swam with her dog in crystal clear waters when suddenly dolphins appeared, turning it into a magical encounter. Playful dolphins circled divers in a friendly dance, a heartwarming connection between humans and the sea. A storm chaser mirror captured the terrifying moment an EF3 tornado formed in Andover, Kansas, a furious twister that quickly turned into a path of destruction.
That's like what you see in the movies. That's just so picturesque.
Yeah, like
Classic Great Plains for you right there.
During a match, nature stole the spotlight as a dust devil spun up beside the field, sending dirt flying. In Colorado, a sudden dust whirl tore across a backyard, chickens scattering everywhere in a scene both chaotic and a little funny. During a rough landing, a plane flipped over, a terrifying moment, but miraculously no one was hurt. On the runway, one plane clipped the tail of another while taxing a powerful reminder of strict safety needs at airports. These incidents prove one thing: strict control of vehicles in restricted zones can't be ignored. In North Carolina, raging floodwaters swallowed streets and swept away cars in the middle of town.
What do you mean?
Oh my gosh. USDOT crews worked fast to remove an unstable boulder from a hillside, keeping everyone safe on the highway.
You got her? Get her! You're gonna need to brake her and get down and go back off the road.
A massive snow avalanche tore down the Alps in Italy, sweeping away everything in its path, leaving witnesses frozen in fear. In Queensland, a bat trapped in a pool swam straight toward its rescuer, as if it knew help had finally arrived. In London's Thames River, a struggling dog was spotted by a paddleboarder who quickly stepped in to save its life.
Thanks so much. My hand with you.
Oh, yay. Well done. Well done.
Walking while glued to your phone, an incident in Argentina shows how just 1 second of distraction can be dangerous. In Locust Grove, Henry County, Georgia, a train slammed into a semi-truck stuck on the tracks, a chilling reminder to never cross when the barriers are down. In South Texas, a train derailment caused major disruption, forcing nearby schools to evacuate as a safety measure. The Dixie Fire spread across vast areas as firefighters bravely stood their ground against the inferno. Hit like to honor these silent heroes. Wow. In Canberra, hail hammered neighborhoods so fiercely it left thousands without power.
catch anything metal.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god! I felt it!
Oh gosh. At Key West, Hurricane Ian unleashed towering waves that battered the pier spectacular, but a reminder to keep a safe distance. Mesmerizing from the very first glance, the Ankole cattle with their massive and majestic horns left everyone in awe. Have you ever let your pet look in the mirror? Share their funniest reactions in the comments. On Okinawa, Typhoon Jelawat struck with fierce winds and relentless rain, the entire island shaken as trees bent under the force. And off Italy's Amalfi coast, a powerful waterspout churned across the sea, a breathtaking yet frightening display of nature's force. In New York's Central Park, a towering dust devil rose higher than horse carriages, stunning everyone who witnessed it. In Odessa, storm debris washed ashore fragments of homes carried by floodwaters, a chilling sight of nature's force. In Kerrville, Texas, river floods rose so high they drowned entire rows of trees, turning the landscape into an endless sea. In Saline County, Arkansas, hail pelted a lake so hard the water bubbled, like it was boiling nature's raw power at full display. Despite the driver's desperate effort to stop an SUV sliding downhill, the vehicle plunged off a cliff. Incredibly, everyone made it out safely. In Greece, flames raced along the coastline, a wall of fire glowing red against the night. We can only hope for a swift recovery of the land. A snow band blanketed Iowa, making roads slick and dangerous. Slow down and drive carefully. In Maryland, a powerful blizzard swept across towns, covering everything in white and howling with strong winds. After a brutal winter storm in Metro Vancouver, snowplows worked tirelessly to clear the roads. Smash like to thank these hard-working crews. Off Port St. Victoria, a diver had a surprise encounter, a pygmy octopus clinging tightly to his fin. At the Great Barrier Reef, a rare octopus appeared out of nowhere. Can you guess the species? Drop your answer in the comments. In Blairgowrie Marina, Victoria, a Heckle's jellyfish drifted gracefully through the clear water like a true dancer of the sea. Do you know what this is? I've never seen it before. Share your thoughts so we can figure it out together. In Unguri, New South Wales, aircraft dropped fire retardant across the forest, painting the sky bright red in seconds. An Air France flight landed at Saint Martin under Tropical Storm Isaac, an unforgettable landing in extreme conditions. If that gave you chills too, drop a 1 in the comments. Nature is unpredictable. Lightning can strike out of nowhere, so always stay alert during storms. Can you believe this? A drone captured a giant sinkhole opening right in the middle of a sports field, both strange and terrifying. Hawaii's Kilauea volcano erupted, rivers of glowing lava flowing down the slopes in a fierce but breathtaking display. On the Canary Islands, Cumbre Vieja erupted once again, lava streams rushing toward neighborhoods and forcing urgent evacuations. Off Big Sur, California, the ocean itself glowed at night, a magical bioluminescent display captured by George Krieger's time-lapse. We're so glad you stayed with us until the very end. Nature never stops surprising us and countless wonders still await. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts. Let's keep exploring this journey together.